I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram not letting you change your profile picture. So if you're facing this problem and basically you try to upload a picture on your Instagram then it just doesn't upload, well, you guys are at the right video, because by the end of this video your problem will be fixed and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. I want to check if your internet connection is stable or not, because sometimes due to slow internet connection your Instagram won't be working properly, so your profile picture is not gonna be uploaded. Alright, so if your internet connection is fast, then what you can do is come on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, at the top here you can see edit profile, click on edit profile, and over here you're gonna give a change profile photo, click on it. And what you want to do is click on where it says take photo or choose from library. Take photo allows you to take a photo from your cameras, and choose from library allows you to choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm gonna click choose from library, and I'm just gonna choose this random photo over here of a Snapchat screenshot, and I click on done. You can also zoom in and zoom out, whichever you like. Alright, and click on done after you do that, and basically it should be changed, and click on done at the top again and wait for some time. It might take a bit of time and your profile picture should be changed. But even if it is not changed after doing this, what you can do is after doing that, try to load your Instagram couple of times. If you just saw my profile picture, my previous profile picture appeared for a second but it was gone again, so this is a problem. It might happen, so try loading for it, try to wait for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes it should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, what you can do is just go on your setting of your phone and go on over here where it says general, and on general go on iPhone storage. And for Android user you don't have this feature, so what you need to do is delete your Instagram, reinstall it. And even for iPhone user, if the step I'm doing right now doesn't work for you, you need to also delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. But try this for iPhone user first. Alright, go on Instagram over here, click on offload app, click on offload app. After you offload your app just like this, you need to click on the option called reinstall app. There's going to be a reinstall app button, click on it and your Instagram will start to reinstall. After your Instagram reinstall, it should work. If it still doesn't work, you need to make sure if Instagram servers are not offline. So Instagram servers from time to time goes under maintenance break. So if you're trying to change your Instagram's profile picture at the time when Instagram is down, it's not going to work. Alright, so if that's the case, you need to wait for some time. And to check if Instagram is down or not, you can just go to your, you can basically go to Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and ask people like, is Instagram down? Or you can simply just ask your friend by calling them, telling them like, hey, is your Instagram working properly? If their Instagram is also not working properly, then it's basically down, and in that case you need to wait for some time until they are up again. All right.